In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access battery. Then scroll all the way down and click on more settings. Finally, select performance mode at the top and tap on it to apply it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is on. To switch it off, click on any other mode, like smart one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!